Hi friends. Friends, Rotary International is an international service organization whose stated purpose is to bring together business and professional leaders in order to provide humanitarian service and to advance goodwill and peace around the world. It is a non-political and non-religious organization open to all. Rotary in Mumbai, called as District 3141, is one of the premier Rotary districts in the world. And Rotary year 2021 is a very special year for Rotary, which is also called as the Vision Year. In this year, we have started a novel concept called as the WizBiz Talks, an initiative to support Rotarians to support Rotary. And I, Dr. Manish Motwani, a weight loss surgeon, that is a bariatric surgeon, and Chief Coordinator for Rotary District 3141 in the year 2021, would be your host for the day. Friends, the WizBiz Talk is a hot from oven initiative, brainchild of District Governor-elect Sunil Mehra, to create more bonding and proximity amongst Rotarians on personal, Rotary and professional front. In these interviews, we speak to visionary Rotarians who by virtue of their selfless work towards the community have reached important decisive positions, and their actions today will help Rotary to serve more to make a difference in the community. Friends, today we have a special guest, a Rotarian of past 3 years from Rotary Club of Bombay Worli, Rotarian Nimesh Sangrajka. He's into a classification of business technical textiles. He's a person who wants to keep on learning and admiring people with knowledge and passion of working. He's an avid traveler as well as a gym enthusiast and former marathon runner. And now, friends, he's a Harley biker. With this, I would like to present in front of all of you a close friend, Rotarian Nimesh Sangrajka.
Hi everyone, how are you? All the Rotarian friends, co-presidents and everyone in District 3141.
Nimesh, welcome again. But before we start, I would just like to inform you that we are recording this video, and this video is going to be broadcasted to Rotarians, to non-Rotarians, on various social media sites, and I definitely have your approval for that. In fact, the purpose of this show is that many more people should start knowing you on your personal front, Rotary front, and work point of view, so that all Rotarians can come together, join, make a nice, good family in which everyone is working with each other. So now coming back to our questions for the day, for this interview. Nimesh, we've met you on a few occasions and we've interacted a bit also. We've had a small meeting during the learning sessions too. But we don't know much about you on the personal front. Would you like to tell us something about yourself?
Yes, in my family it consists of 4 people. My wife, Janvi Sangrajka. I have one son, 20-year-old. He goes to Flame University. He's doing his MBA, Finance and Economics. He's in the 2nd year. And my mom. And we are 4 staying in Matunga in Bombay. And this is what a small family we are having.
Fantastic. Nimesh, you wrote something about your classification, but we are also keen that Rotarians should be working with each other. So we would be very happy that, and suppose I'm talking about myself. If I have a hospital and I have say 100 vendors, you wouldn't believe 80 out of them would be Rotarians. So I love to give work also to Rotarians because I'm 100% sure of the transparency. Similarly, I think so you would also be keen that yes, if I have to work more with Rotarians, that opportunity should never be lost.
Sure.
I would like you to tell everyone, what is your profession? What are you into?
I'll tell you in a brief. I am a chartered accountant by education, but into business since last 22 years. We have a factory in Rajkot. We are into technical textiles and mostly 80% is exports. Technical textiles is right now when you are in COVID-19, you see all the PPE kits which are being made. That is from our fabric. We are making a state-of-art SS MMS fabric, which is a breathable fabric. And we also do breathable lamination on it. And we give it to a lot of converters who convert the PPE kits and they go to all the hospitals all across Bombay, India, all over India basically. So I think there may be around 500 to 1000 converters right now, which have just propped up in the last 2 months, because a lot of businesses have come down for garment industries. So now all are they making is PPE kits right now, and most of the fabric is going from my factory to all these people there.
Okay. So you make the raw fabric and then you
Yes.
have the converter, and then these people make of different sizes and they sell it forward, right?
And they give it to the tender to the government.
Okay. This is lovely. See, we were not aware of this, and I myself am having a hospital where we've been in. Of course, now everywhere it's available, but initially we were struggling a lot to get PP kits. But now, of course, it has brought up a new business in front of everyone. So the other day, I was speaking to a few of my friends, and I asked them, in today's date, what is the similarity between a builder, a corporate guy, a person who was having a cement business, a person who was having a glass factory, a person who was making air conditioners? What is common in all these guys? So the common thing is that everyone was preparing a PPE kit or was dealing with sanitizers.
Yeah. Someone, I think overnight, a lot of people came in.
Yeah, I know.
And
So,
also, I wanted to add up that we are also distributors, sole distributors for DuPont Tyvek. If you have heard of a Tyvek coverall, which comes from US, and it's prescribed by WHO also all over the world. That was the first preference of a PPE. So we are the ones who stock and sell in India.
okay, that's really nice. So good. And to all those who are hearing today, COVID crisis is going to last for another 3 to 6 months minimum. And he's the man who should be there with everyone. Please connect with him, either to start a new business or to get certain benefits too. I hope you won't mind, Nimish.
Yeah.
So Nimish, this was about your work, but you know that you are a Rotarian of past 3 years.
Yeah.
And you are representing one of the premier clubs of District 3141, that is Rotary Club of Bombay Worli. And if Rotary Club of Bombay Worli has entrusted the responsibility of becoming a president on your shoulders, they have definitely seen something in you. They cannot just make any person a president. So you are definitely someone who has got some different capabilities or some different out-of-box thinking, and they felt that the club was safe in your hands. So first of all, congratulations, because you represent one of the strongest clubs of District 3141. Now, when you have that responsibility, your planning has to be great. Let me know and let all of us know, what are your plans, special plans for Vision 2020 year one. Second, COVID crisis has come. So are you taking that as a challenge or an opportunity? And what is your plan B or plan C to overcome that? So please, it's all yours.
For the next year, we are planning a lot of things. One is some Adivasi villages, which one we already adopted, and we are giving them food, water, check dams, and everything has been done for them. And we are looking at 2 or more villages just nearby areas where we'll try to adapt them also for our future projects. So we are looking for that. And then we are also working with Tata Memorial, where we are doing chemotherapy. We are paying the patients their fees for the chemotherapies also. And we are doing some education. There's a Apni Shala kind of a NGO. They don't give education. They give extra responsible teaching to the students about, apart from the normal education like math, science, and all that. There are other things which are required to get the growth of the student. So we are doing it for some students from the 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th standard, and now we'll be doing it for 8th and 9th standard also. So that is one of the things. We do a lot of sanitary napkin distributions to Adivasi villages. We did around more than 5 lakh rupees distribution of sanitary napkins current year. And further, we are also planning to do a few check dams in some villages. Some people have asked us, so we are looking at it also on those terms.
Fantastic, Nimesh. Now, what if I was just calculating right now? There is no avenue of service which you have left. You have covered all the thrust areas, and knowing your club so well, we know that in foundation also you never lag behind. Membership is it's always a pride to be a part of Bombay Worli. So I'm sure membership is also going to be one of your thrust areas. So overall, when I see over here, you can be a real source of motivation to those smaller clubs or those clubs who have who think that, oh, my half the year is gone. So it's not gone. We've got lots that we can do, and I would request such clubs who feel that they need some support or they need some hand holding, connect with Rotary Club of Bombay Worli. This is a club which is a very senior and a mature club. They would be more than happy to tie up with you all. And this is how Rotary grows, by cooperative projects. So let's hold hands and let's move ahead together. Nimesh,
Sorry, I interrupt. One more thing about the COVID-19. You said that what projects we are done. So right now we have already distributed around 4,400 PPE kits to various hospitals from Kasturba, Sion, Nair, everywhere. And we have done a lot of food grains. The total worth of the project is more than 3 crores, which the whole Rotary Club together with all its members have done. There's a Ratnanidhi Trust who's Rajiv Mehta from us in our club member. He's already done 5 lakh meals to all the areas in Worli, Dharavi, Antop Hill, and most of the slum areas of Bombay. So these are all which we are doing together with the municipal corporation, the police, the hospitals. So all these things are going on. Plus one more small COVID grant. We are planning to go for a global grant for HFNC machines, oxygen machines. Around 6 machines for Sion Hospital. They had some demands because they are falling short of that. So I think on an emergency basis, we are doing this small project.
I understand that this small project of yours is worth 45,000 US dollars.
Yes.
It's a real small project, but so Nimesh, this is just lovely work that this club is doing. I'm so happy that I had you with me today for this interview. We've had a nice time. We've got to know more about your club, more about you. I'm sure you're going to have a rocking year ahead. Hope you also had a nice time, and wish you all the best for the coming Vision 2020 year. And if there is any way how we from the district can be of even small support to you, just we are a call away. Get back to us and we'll be there for you anytime you want.
Yes, 100%. We'll get in touch with you because there are new ideas which will always be coming up and we'll always come back to you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you very much.